Okay, who will be the first one? Yang pertama siapa? Mas Arullah Muna. Mas Arullah,
Iya, Bu. Bagaimana?
please. Retail. The material I have explained to you just now. Yang
Oke.
baru saya tak.
My name is Arwah Munaraif. My IG number is 124, and I will retell about capital market. So capital market is where we can find seller and buyers trade trade capital financial instrument. The example is bond and stock. And then capital markets have two types. The types of capital market is primary market and secondary market. And then in capital market have example. The example of capital market is stock, bond, and
Share.
foreign exchange market, pasar valuta asing. And then in capital market have supplier and users. Suppliers capital, for example, is non-financial companies, and then pension funds, and then charitable foundation. And then user of capital is non-financial companies and governments. And then in the capital markets have structure, and the structure of capital markets is made from primary and secondary markets. And then the function of capital market is help economic growth. And then last, the benefit of capital market is efficiency in transaction. Also, the money can move from people who need capital to people who have capital. Okay, I think that's all from me about capital markets. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next. Who wants to be in the next turn? Siapa yang mau giliran kedua? Anissa. Mbak Anissa. Oke, Mbak Anissa, please. Mbak Anissa, Anissa Manajemen. Ya, hati-hati deh.
Itu loh Bu, perempatan bukanya jam berapa? Jam 4 buka dulu. Oh, aku pulangnya jam berapa?
Mbak Eva Rofika Agustina, on cam Mbak.
Yang depan kamu itu berapa Bu?
Ya, please retail the material. While waiting your friend, Anissa Management, Mbak dulu.
My name is Sanisa Tripunamasari. My ID number 114. The capital market is a market that trades long-term credit in the form of securities such as stock and bonds. Capital market are where saving and investment are conducted between suppliers, people, or institutes with capital to lend or invest, and those in need. Suppliers typically include banks and investors, while those with capital are business, government, and individuals. The function of the capital market is as a means of business funding or a means for companies or issuers to obtain funds from investors or the public. Second, the function of the capital market is a means for the public to invest in financial instruments. Ma'am.
Oke. Mbak Anissa, please, your turn. Mbak Anissa. Mbak Anissa, dengar nggak suara saya? Mbak Anissa, minta tolong Mbak Anissa. Ini dengar suara saya yang lain?
Dengar
jelas.
Mbak Anissa kalau nggak sendiri tuh. Halo Mbak Anissa, bisa minta tolong dikasih tahu temennya.
Ya, Mam, kenapa? Maaf, macet-macet.
Retail the material. Capital market. Your turn, Mbak, giliranmu.
Excuse me, ma'am. Tadi yang sebelumnya itu yang retail Anissa.
Anissa?
Iya,
Iya, ini kan
yang
Nisa,
sebelumnya.
Anissa kan? Tadi Eva Rofika kan setelah
Ndek,
Anissa. Anissa kan tadi
Tadi
macet kan?
tadi itu saya mau jawab tapi sudah duluan Anissa.
Oh
Saya
gitu.
belum jawab itu. Nggih,
Oh, Mbak Anissa kan belum kan berarti?
sudah. Itu
Anissa.
tadi Anissa, Bu.
Sudah,
Saya yang
Miss.
belum jawab.
Mbak Anissa sudah?
Sudah tadi,
Sudah.
Bu.
Ya, Bu, yang barusan itu Anissa.
Anissa. Si Nisa yang mana?
Saya, Bu.
Nisa itu ada berapa? Tadi kan yang sudah maju kan Mbak Eva Rofika.
Mbak Eva Rafika
Tidak,
belum, Bu. Tadi
belum.
udah duluan Anissa,
Tadi
Bu.
mau jawab tapi diduluin Anissa, Bu.
Oh, tadi yang jawab itu Anissa ya? Oh,
Iya,
Iya.
oh, yang Mbak Evanya belum ya?
belum, Bu.
Ya. Ya, sekarang Mbak Eva.
My name is Eva Rafika Agustin. NIM 126. The capital market is an activity related to public offering and trading of securities, public companies relating to the securities the issue, as well as institution and profession related to securities. Capital market types, two different types, one primary market, two secondary market. Example to capital market, stock market, currency and for foreign exchange market, bonds market, mutual funds, debt or bonds. Terus capital market function, the capital market as a means of increasing capital of business, capital market as a means of income distribution, capital market as a means of increasing product capacity, capital market as a means of job creation, capital market as a means of increasing state revenue, the capital market as indicator of the country economy. Capital market features. In capital market, there are two entities, one who supply capital and the other entity is the one who need capital. Usually entities with surplus capital in the capital market of retail and institutional investor. Entities seeking capital are people, government, and business. Example of supplier of capital, one pension fund, life insurance companies, non-financial companies, charitable foundation. Example of user of capital, people looking to purchase vehicles, homes, government, non-financial companies.
Oke.
Sudah, Bu, terima kasih.
Ya, oke. Next. Fananta.
My name is Gani Fananta, NIM 147. The capital market is a means of funding for company and other institutions, e.g. the government, and as a means for investing activity. The capital market facility various facility and infrastructure for buying and selling activity and other related activity. The function of capital market is to bring together two interest parties, namely investor and issuer. For company, the benefit of capital market applies to collect large amount of fresh fund in a short time, improve solvency and corporate image, reducing the company dependence on bank, and for community, in addition to the state and company, the capital market is also benefit for general public. Plus to invest, benefit for investing, either because the value of asset increase or because of the distribution of dividend. Capital market is investment instrument, saham, share, mutual fund, bond, and ETF.
Okay. Sananda. Next, Mbak Asti Swandari.
Okay, introduce my name Asti Swandari, name 129. Here I will explain about the capital market. The capital market is a venture for bringing together parties who need long-term fund with those who have this fund. So the capital market is a market that trades long-term credit in the form of securities such as stock and bonds. The function of the capital market is as a means of business funding or a means for companies to obtain funds from investors. The function of the capital market is as a means for the public to invest in financial instruments. That was my explain about the capital market. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mbak. Next. Siapa yang belum? Mbak Dia Ayu.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Dia Ayu Permatasari, number 530. I want to retell about capital market. The capital market is a place for trading financial instruments. There are two divisions of the capital market, namely the primary and secondary capital market. Next, for example, the capital market, namely the stock market and bond market. Capital market is needed as a driving force the economy. In the capital market, there are examples of suppliers of capital, namely charitable foundation and pension funds. While users are government and non-financial companies. Some of the advantage of the capital market include more efficient transaction, higher interest rates, and high growth in investment value. I think that's enough. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Next, Alfiana Sela. Alfiana.
My name is Alfiana Sela Ilina Navida. My ID number is 148. I will retell the capital market. The capital market is a market in which there are trading activities such as securities in the form of shares, equities, bonds, and other securities issued by the government or private companies. The capital market consists of the primary market and the secondary market. Transaction activities in the primary market are only for the purchase of shares. Meanwhile, the transactions in the secondary market are open for the sale and purchase of shares. Shares in the primary market are ordered through an intermediary selling agent. Meanwhile, shares orders in the secondary market are carried out through stock exchange members. The function of the capital market is to bring together those Bu, mohon maaf, sinyal saya putus-putus.
Putus-putus. Ini suaranya jelas kok. Suaranya jelas.
Saya lanjut ya, Bu.
Ya.
The function of the capital market is to bring together those who need capital and those who have excess capital. Then money market is securities trading activity to meet the demand of and supply of fund in the short term without less restrictions. The capital market is a market for long-term securities such as stock and bonds. Sudah, Bu. Terima kasih.
Ya, oke. Thank you, Mbak. Next, Mbak Malavita. Itu Malakavita. Oh. Dek. Kok ini ngetok? Oh, ya. Lain dulu. Yang lain dulu, Mbak. Jurusan apa, Mbak? PGSD. Ayo, yang lain. Mbak Asti Iswandari. Sudah deh. Husna Suaida. Serasa di pantai saya nih. Pikirannya di pantai. Hilir. Itu kan. Wah. Mbak Husna ya, Mbak Husna.